Everyone, and welcome to another exciting vocab lesson. This is Mr. Stitt, and today we're going to be on week 24 for my 6th grade students. Here are the words this week: pillar, expedient, venerable, plethora, incomparable, and abode. So let's go ahead and jump right into the first word. The first word this week you're probably familiar with, and that is pillar. It's a noun, so it's a thing, and it's an upright shaft or strut of a stone, brick, or other material, relatively slender in proportion to its height and of any shape in section. It's used as a building support or standing alone as for a monument. You've probably seen pillars like this on TV or maybe in real life. They are ancient, from ancient Rome and Greece and other ancient cultures, and they were beautiful usually. They had beautiful designs and decorations on them, but they were structural as well. They helped support the building. So I might use a sentence that says, the ancient building had beautiful pillars as support. Or my school is supported by pillars on the outside. A synonym would be pedestal, obelisk, pier, post, or column. Pillar. The next word this week is expedient. Expedient, and it's an adjective, so it describes something, and it means to do things in a quick or fast manner, to accomplish something swiftly. So I might use a sentence about this beautiful car here, and I might say, the fast car got me to where I needed to go in an expedient manner. You might also say, I completed my homework in an expedient fashion. So anytime you do something quick, swift, fast, or accelerated, expedient. The next word this week is venerable. Venerable. And this is an adjective, so it also describes things, and it means commanding respect because of great age or impressive dignity, worthy of veneration or reverence, as because of high office or noble character. So this man here, it looks like he's a very well-established and esteemed member of the military. You can see he has many pins on his shirt. He has many honors and awards for his service and his actions. So he's a very venerable human being. You might say my principal is very venerable because she is always looking out for my better interests. My parents are venerable because they work hard and they provide for me. Synonyms of this word would be esteemed, grand, revered, stately, admirable, and honorable. The next word this week is plethora. Plethora. And this simply means overabundance or excess. This is typically a good thing. If you have a plethora of food, that's good. That means you have a lot to eat. On Thanksgiving, I always have a plethora of food. If you have a plethora of money, that can be a very good thing. I have such a plethora of money, I might buy a mansion. These are some good sentences that you might use with plethora. Synonyms would be overabundance, plenty, overkill, surplus. Oh, I wrote or overflow. So plethora. The next word is incomparable. Incomparable. Or you might say incomparable. An adjective, so it describes something, and it means beyond comparison, matchless, unequaled. You might say whatever is your favorite thing would be incomparable or incomparable. Like I added a picture here of a woman sleeping and Chick-fil-A. These are two things I love more than anything. I love to sleep and I love to eat Chick-fil-A. They are incomparable experiences. It means not comparable or incapable of being compared to each other as two unlike objects or qualities, or to one or more others. A lot of students say summer break is incomparable to the school year because maybe they think it's way more fun in summer than it is during the school year, so it's incomparable. Synonyms would be exceptional, transcendent, unmatched, unparalleled, or unequal. Incomparable. The next word this week is abode. Abode. And this is a place. So it's a place in which a person resides, a residence, a dwelling, a habitation, or a home, an extended stay in a place or sojourn. So this is a beautiful abode. Most of us don't have a place this nice, but most of us have humble abodes where we have a nice house. It's simple, but nothing to this magnitude with a pool and just a beautiful mansion of a house. But you can have a small abode. You can have a large abode. Synonyms for this word would be home, house, apartment, address, dwelling, or residence. Abode. Well, thank you so much for joining us this week. This was week 24 for my 6th grade students, and here's the words we learned: pillar, expedient, venerable, plethora, incomparable, and abode. Well, thanks again for joining us. I Hope to see you next time. Bye.